Hi guys, my name is Sid and you're here on my channel, and today is Pandesal for breakfast. Filipinos' favorite breakfast. Is Pandesal healthy? Yes. Pandesal is healthy. From the ingredients itself, we can tell that it is healthy. It has milk, it has yeast, it has egg. So from those ingredients, we already have protein and iron. And it also has flour and salt. It is high in sodium, so we can eat it in moderation for those with high blood pressure. But it has 120 calories and it is healthy. And did you know, guys, that pandesal started when the Portuguese came here into the Philippines? It is called bililio, and Filipinos have turned this bread into a pandesal with a different set of ingredients. And now, pandesal is the Filipinos' favorite breakfast, whether poor or rich. And now, this is my fitness pal, and I'm showing you how I monitor my calorie count. And this will show that I need 2030 calories for me to be able to gain weight. It will also calculate if you also want to lose weight. And now I will search and add my breakfast, which is the pandesal. And there is a variety of selection of which pandesal are you eating, whether it's a brand pandesal or a homemade pandesal. And for this one, I selected the usual pandesal, and it will show that that pandesal has 120 calories. So if you are watching your weight, then you have to lessen your pandesal or cut it into half. And if you're gaining weight, then you have to eat more pandesal. And this will also show the other nutrients here, like the fats. It is high in sodium, so if you have a hypertension, you have to eat pandesal in moderation. So that's it, you guys. Till next vlog, like and subscribe.